Hello and welcome to this week's episode of Huon Talks with me, your host, Sam Huon, from the Highlands of Scotland and surrounded with beautiful green heather and beautiful sunshine. To my left, regular contributor and one of my favourite guests so far, Mr. Michael Jackson.
Annie, you okay? Will you tell us that you're okay? Annie, you Oh, hey Sam. Sorry, I was just practicing one of my dance moves to one of my songs, Smooth Criminal.
Oh, Michael, that's quite okay. Beautiful to have you here. And on my right, a very special guest to this week's episode of Huon Talks, Miss Hushpuppi. Oh, Hushpuppi, it's delightful to have you here as well.
Hey, Sam?
Yes, Michael.
You didn't tell me there was going to be a cat in the show.
Is that a problem, Michael?
Well, Sam, it's just that I'm a little bit scared of cats and...
Oh, Michael, Hushpuppi is one of the most gentle cats in the world. Isn't that right, Hushpuppi?
Sam, where is she? Sam, is she looking at me? Sam, is Hushpuppi looking at me?
Michael, it's okay.
Look, Sam, she's on the move. Sam, what'll I do?
Michael, it's quite all right. Just sing her one of your favourite songs to calm her down. She's bound to be...
Ben, the two of us needn't look no more. We both found...
Oh, Michael, that's enough to calm any cat down anywhere. It's enough to calm me down.
We both found...
Do you know, Michael, we'll take a break for now. Join us next week with me, your host Sam Huon, on Huon Talks.